Hey, this is another video for James. Thank you so much for that. For those that want to request any type of reviews, movie reviews, video game tries, or let's plays, re-reviews or commentaries, or whatever the case may be, feel free to send it either directly to my PayPal or join my Patreon. Both things are down below in the info box. And James wanted me to react to this video called Talking Parrots React to This Guy's New House. Now, I know people get annoyed by this, but I don't have the video actually in this video. I have it in a link down below in the info box. If you're ever on your computer or whatever, you feel free to hit that link, have another tab or window, and follow along with me. I do that because A, I don't trust YouTube's copyright system because it's completely broken. And two, I did not get permission to take their videos, so I don't want to just assume things, so. But again, hope you enjoyed, James. Let's get into it. It's a 4-minute, 47-second video. 3, 2, 1, pressing play. Damn, the bird's pissed. Can't handle the new place. We're moving. Okay. Okay, this is the same guy in the last video. There's the same bird, Apollo, I believe. Only there's another. You don't be freaking out. What the hell is this? He does not understand this place. He's just completely confused. What's going on here? Ready to go back. He's completely freaking out. He's totally freaking out. He's not used to the new place. He's like, what the hell's going on here? Everything seems very familiar. I mean, if you're used to a routine over and over and over again, probably going to take a bit longer for him to understand the new environment. Maybe the instinctual as well of, you know, in the previous place there was no sense of danger, but here it's like, is there danger? Have to be make sure there's danger. Kind of cute that the two in unison go on his hand. Yeah, it's cute that the two are on his hand, and then they. He's like, I don't care what it's made of. Get the hell out of here. He wants to go outside. He definitely wants to go outside. He wants to go outside and move back. He don't fly and go back to his old place. Want to earn a snack. So then, repeating what was said before to them. Want to earn a snack. So he wants to go outside because he doesn't trust this place. It's his new environment he doesn't trust so far. That's why he wants to go outside so damn badly. Because he's maybe fearful that he doesn't know this place much, so is there anything dangerous in this place? Not comfortable so far. See, a lot of times repeating what the guy said, like, all right, Apollo. Let's go bottle. Now where are they going now? Not gonna let them get used to the place more so, or where are you going? Hmm. Or are they going back to the old place to grab more stuff? I don't know. But he definitely did not like being there. He definitely was like, fuck this. I don't want to stay in this shit. He's reviewing it. This is a shithole. I don't want to be in this. He's like, he's critiquing where you moved. The only place is better. You fucked up. But again, those animal videos are pretty cute, pretty short. The end's always amazing what animals are able to do like that. Obviously, very cognizant of his environment. Obviously, knew something. He's not in his comfortable space. So again, just something he has to get used to over time. So you have that going on. But yeah, with that said, thanks for watching. Thanks once again, James, and we'll see you guys later. Bye bye for now.